In today's video, I will walk you through how to see Spotify monthly listeners. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Start by finding the Spotify artist whose monthly listeners you want to check. Select the artist to open their artist page. Once you are on the artist page, look below the artist name and profile information. Find the section that displays the number of monthly listeners. The monthly listeners figure shows the current number of listeners for that artist. Check the number displayed next to monthly listeners. If you want to check another artist, return to the artist search and select the next artist. Then look in the same area of the artist page for the monthly listeners figure. You can repeat this process for any other Spotify artist you want to check. Select the artist, find the monthly listener section, and check the number shown there. When viewing an artist page, make sure you are looking at the monthly listeners figure rather than another statistic displayed on the page. The number you need is specifically labeled monthly listeners. To compare the figures between different artists, check the monthly listeners number on each artist page individually. Record or remember the number shown for each artist as you move between their pages. If the artist page contains additional information, continue looking around the artist information area until you find the monthly listeners figure. Once you locate it, the number displayed is the figure you are looking for. For another artist, select that artist and repeat the same process. Open the artist page, locate the monthly listeners section, and check the displayed number. This gives you a straightforward way to see how many monthly listeners an artist currently has on Spotify. The same process can be repeated whenever you need to check another artist's monthly listeners. Once you have checked the artist or artists you wanted to view, the process is complete. Thank you for watching.